Don't miss Bruno Mars performing live at the Super Bowl 48 halftime show February 2nd. Check out musiccontentpepsi.com. Get hyped.
Kevin, you have to wonder, the Saints defense has been tremendous in hanging in there, continuing to frustrate and keep the Seattle offense out of the end zone, and they continue to do it.
Sean Lynch at 98 yards. Out of the game, he'll get it here, and negative control, that should put him at 100. It'll be his third playoff 100-yard game. They'll bring it 3rd and short.
Rob Ryan understanding what a critical moment in this game. Only 6 minutes left. He had no safety in the middle of the field. Calling out to stop the run. Marshawn Lynch still getting positive yards.
Incredible how loud this place gets on beat. How quiet it is when they're on offense. 3-2. One-man rush on the flank. Complete. Lewis all over. Golden Tate. And this Saints defense, what they've done all day, keep them in the game.
Absolutely. You fight hard to get to these third down situations, and then you got to make a play. And they're continually doing it. Keenan Lewis again on Golden Tate. Great coverage. Great finish to the play by Keenan Lewis.
They held Seattle to a field goal their last 7 possessions. Saints will get it back. John Ryan. Stroll on the fair catch at the 28. Well, the weather's been all over the place in Seattle. Big storms came through last night, today, 11:45. Monsoon conditions. Howling winds, the rain coming down hard, and then just like that, the sun pops out, the rain goes away, then more rain right around game time. It's been all day. Factor, we've seen bottled snaps, drop balls, and missed field goal. Now it's 5:30